Hello beautiful people, welcome back again to the channel. It's another video. Hope you guys are doing wonderfully well. Today we are making another puff puff recipe with condensed milk. So in my bowl I will add all my dry ingredients. If today is your first time of seeing this channel, thanks for stopping by. My name is Gertrude and you are welcome to this channel. Please consider subscribing to the channel and also hit on the bell icon so that anytime I post a video you will be the first to get notified. And to my returning subscribers, thanks for your time and your support. I do appreciate it a lot. So at this point I'll just mix everything. So guys, please stay tuned. Okay fam, now I will add my condensed milk and also add my vanilla extract in my melted butter. I will mix everything together until I get the perfect consistency that I want. And if you are still watching up to this time, thank you so much. Please like this video and also share this video to reach more people. Okay fam, after mixing everything, I'll just cover it and let it rise for some time. Next, I will pour oil into my pot, and I'm using smaller pot because they don't take much oil. After some time, our puff puff has doubled in size, and I'll just beat to get the air out of it. I will also use the throw and catch technique in scooping my puff puff. So this is how I'll be doing it. Then I will just drop it gently into the oil. Alright lovelies, this is our puff puff. Just look at this beautiful golden color. I really love the outcome, so crunchy on the outside. And now let's check how soft our puff puff is from the inside. Just look at this looks so soft. You can pair this with any porridge of your choice. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy this video, give this video a thumbs up, share this video to reach more audience. Till then, see you in my next video.